Hi everyone. Cilantro and parsley are the most common herbs in almost every garden. And the biggest issue is that they bolt very fast, and getting a harvest in summer months needs a lot of effort. So today we want to introduce you to a perennial herb. Yes, you heard it right, a perennial herb that has the same flavor and produces from spring to fall. This is lovage. It is very easy to grow from seeds. All of ours is grown from seeds, and this is third year of us using this herb. As soon as spring comes around, the spears of lovage start popping from ground, and soon it makes this beautiful low-lying bush. The cold hardiness zone of lovage is from zone 3 to 9. To us, the flavor feels like a mix of cilantro, parsley, and celery. We use it in all recipes that calls for any of these herbs. To harvest it, we just snip the stem and chop it fine along with the leaves. Sometimes we just grab leaves as well. And biggest advantage, this plant is so beautiful, it fits perfectly in an edible landscape. We have it tucked in our front yard garden, and we are trying to make a small border out of it in our side yard. This plant is also very much loved by black swallowtail butterfly larvae. We know because last year we had so many of these larvae on our plants. So now the only reason we grow cilantro in our garden is because we found a blank spot, and it's better to grow herb there instead of letting the weeds take over. If you found value in this video, please do like it and subscribe to help our channel grow.